Hey guys, and welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name is Latina Marie. If you are new to my YouTube channel, welcome. So today I'm going to be trying this cotton candy cut crease. I'm calling it cotton candy. I'm not really sure what they named it, but I found it on Instagram and I thought it was so gorgeous, so I thought I would try it. I, in my last video, did a cut crease off the top of my head. Like, I just made it up myself and did it, and it turned out okay, but I think following a guide, a somewhat of a guide, will do a lot better. So I'm gonna follow this picture to the best of my ability, and I cross my fingers that it turns out well. So I'm gonna prep my eyes. I've already done my eyebrows. I don't have any foundation on. I've moisturized my skin. I don't have any foundation on, nothing, but I'm gonna prep my eyes with concealer and translucent powder, and I will be back to start this tutorial. So I am back. I prepped just one eye because I don't want this video to be super long, so I'm just going to do one eye on camera and then I will do the other eye off camera. I'm going to zoom in, and now I'm going to go in with my lit palette from Beauty Concepts, and I'm going to go in with this fluffy brush here, and it looks like it's kind of a reddish color. I think I want to go in with this one right here. I don't know if I should go in with this one or this one. I think I'm going to go in with the brighter one just because I want it to show up, and I know that these palettes aren't that great, so I might mix them. Might, as I do it. So I'm just going to take that above the crease. I definitely need better palettes, and that will be coming. I know that James Charles just came out with his Morphe palette, which I'm excited because I am going to get it. This is coming off kind of pink to me. Of course, it's not going to be exactly the way hers is because I don't have exactly what she used, but we'll do the best we can, right? With what we got. Next, we're going in with a darker brown color. So, going in with this palette, I want to use this right here. I feel like that's perfect for this. I hope it's perfect for this because I'm going in with it. After 5 million years of blending and building, I hope you guys can see this. Next, I'm going to go in with a precision brush, and I have some lighter concealer that is definitely not my color. I have it for situations like this, and I'm just going to outline the crease. I'm just going to drag that down. Now I'm going to take that precision brush and I'm going to spritz it so that it picks up the color that I want. And I think, let me see here. The picture isn't shimmery, but I'm going to go in with this from this dark brownish, purplish color, just because it looks like it might do what I want it to do. This Be a Mermaid palette, the powders are actually very creamy, which I think I like. I think I like that. And I'm just going to outline this. Now I'm going to go in with the smudge brush, and I'm just going to blend it up lightly, very carefully blend it out. I hope you guys are seeing this the way that I am. I think I'm doing a pretty good job. I'm just going to clean this part up right here. Next, I'm going to go in with that same smudge brush, and I'm going to pick up a pink. I'm going to do this pink right here in my Be a Mermaid palette, just because it's so vibrant. I'm just going to tuck that in the inner corner. I feel like this brush is messing it up, so I'm going to go in with an angled brush, angled precision brush, and finish that up. Using that same angled brush, I'm going to go in with a purple. Okay, so those look like the same color, so I'm going to use a different pink. There we go. Next we're going to go in with this blue. I'm going to take this blue all the way across. Now I think I can use that smudge brush, and I'm going to take that blue into the inner corner and take the pink and my precision brush, my angled brush, and I'm gonna take that for the purple. Now I'm going to take my smudge brush, and I'm going to go back in with that burgundy brownish color from the Be a Mermaid. So now what I'm going to do, because I want that cut crease to really show that brown, so I'm going in with my brow pencil and lightly outlining. That's not showing up either. Last resort, because it's not showing up. Liner. Now, I know the line is not black, but I can blend it out and it won't be so harsh. So I have that, and I'm going to take my smudge brush, and I'm just going to smudge it out by dragging it up. So now, going in with my precision brush, I'm going to take the pink and go under the lower lash. I'm going to go in with a highlighter for my brow. I think I did a pretty good job. I'm going to do my lashes and the other eye, and I will be back. So this is the final look, you guys. I'm super proud of myself. I feel like I did a really good job. I just did a neutral cranberry look for the lips because I wanted the eyes to really pop. But I feel like I did a really good job, you guys. Again, this is what the picture originally looked like. I didn't do a perfect job, but with the cheap and terrible palettes that I have, I think I did a pretty good job. And yeah, I'm really proud. I like it. I think it's really cute. It reminds me of cotton candy, so this is my cotton candy cut crease. If you guys like this video, let me know with a thumbs up. If you're not subscribed to my channel, go ahead and hit that button. I love you all so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Mwah.